Hello, I'm Anna. What's your name?
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How old are you?
I'm 30. And you?
I'm 26. Are you married?
No, I'm single. Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one brother and one sister.
How old is your sister?
She's 22. How old is your sister?
She's 19. What about your brother?
My brother is 25.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents. Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone.
What do your parents do?
My dad is a teacher, and my mom is a nurse. What about your parents?
My dad is retired, and my mom is a shopkeeper.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester. What about you?
I'm from London.
Do you work or study?
I study. What about you?
I work.
What do you do?
I'm an engineer. What do you study?
I study business.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, I do. Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What do you do in your free time?
I like playing football. What about you?
I like reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
I read novels. Do you like novels?
Yes, I do.
Do you travel often?
Not really. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Where is your favorite place to visit?
I like visiting the beach. What about you?
I enjoy visiting the mountains.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer. And you?
I prefer winter.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Not really, but I can cook simple meals.
What kind of food do you like?
I like Italian food. What about you?
I like Chinese food.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea. What about you?
I prefer coffee.
Do you go to the gym?
Sometimes. Do you?
No, I prefer walking outside.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love them. What about you?
Yes, I enjoy movies too.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you play any sports?
I play badminton. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
How often do you play?
I play every weekend. How often do you play badminton?
I play twice a week.
It was nice talking to you, Anna.
Nice talking to you too, John. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How old are you?
I'm 27. And you?
I'm 23. Are you married?
No, I'm single. What about you?
I'm not married either.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. And you?
I'm from Chicago.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents. Do you live with your family?
No, I live with my sister.
How old is your sister?
She's 20. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What does your brother do?
He's a doctor. What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study engineering. What do you do?
I'm a photographer.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love it. Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, very much.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. Do you travel often?
Yes, for my work.
Where is your favorite place to visit?
I love visiting the mountains. What about you?
I enjoy visiting the beach.
It was nice talking to you, Emma.
Nice talking to you too, Alex. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Hi, I'm Lily. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where do you live?
I live in Boston. Where do you live?
I live in Miami.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. What about you?
I live in an apartment.
Are you working or studying?
I'm working. What about you?
I'm studying.
What do you study?
I study art. What do you do?
I'm a software developer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like studying art?
Yes, it's very interesting.
What do you do in your free time?
I like painting. What about you?
I enjoy playing guitar.
Can you play any other instruments?
Yes, I can play the piano. Can you?
No, I can't play any instruments.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel for work.
Where have you traveled recently?
I went to New York last month. What about you?
I visited Los Angeles last summer.
What's your favorite city to visit?
I love visiting Paris. What about you?
I enjoy visiting Tokyo.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I love it. What's your favorite food?
I love sushi. What about you?
I like pasta.
It was nice talking to you, Mark.
Nice talking to you too, Lily. Have a great day.
You too. Hello, may I know your name?
Hi, I'm David. And you?
I'm Sarah.
Where do you live, Sarah?
I live in Los Angeles. Where do you live?
I live in San Francisco.
How old are you?
I'm 30. How old are you?
I'm 28.
Are you married?
Yes, I am. Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't. Do you have children?
Yes, I have one daughter.
How old is your daughter?
She's 5 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a designer. What about you?
I'm an engineer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's challenging. Do you enjoy designing?
Yes, it's very creative.
Do you work from home?
No, I work at an office. Do you work from home?
Sometimes, but I usually go to the office.
What do your siblings do?
One is a doctor, and the other is a student. What about your brother?
My brother is a pilot.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car. Do you?
Yes, I have a small car.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a Toyota. Do you like cars?
Yes, I like them. But I don't drive much.
Do you want a car in the future?
Yes, I'd like to have one. How about you?
Yes, I want a bigger car, maybe an SUV.
Do you drive often?
Yes, I drive to work every day. Do you drive?
No, I usually take the bus or walk.
It was nice talking to you, Sarah.
Nice talking to you too, David. Have a great day.